Maintaining a clean litter box is essential for your cat's health and well-being, as well as for keeping your home free from unpleasant odors. One of the most significant factors influencing how often you should change the litter is the type of litter you use. If you opt for non-clumping litter, you'll need to replace it more frequently than clumping litter. Non-clumping litter does not form solid masses around waste, making it harder to remove soiled portions. Feline Pine Platinum cat litter offers a natural and eco-friendly alternative to traditional cat litter, providing excellent odor control and absorbency. However, urine tends to accumulate at the bottom of the litter tray, which can lead to unpleasant smells and unhygienic conditions. If you have one cat using a non-clumping litter, you should completely change the litter at least once a week. If multiple cats use the same litter box, you may need to change it every 3 to 5 days to ensure cleanliness. On the other hand, clumping litter forms solid clumps when it comes into contact with moisture. It makes it much easier to remove waste without having to replace the entire litter box contents frequently. If you use clumping litter, you should scoop out waste and soiled clumps at least once a day. This routine helps maintain a fresh environment for your cat and delays the usability of the litter. Depending on the number of cats using the box and how quickly the litter gets soiled, you may need to do a complete litter change every 2 to 4 weeks. If you use silica gel or crystal litter, these types can last longer before needing a full change. Genius Litter silica-based litter absorbs moisture and controls odors efficiently, often lasting up to a month. This litter is a revolutionary natural cat litter that monitors your cat's health. This premium item contains an indicator that responds to deviating values in the urine such as blood, alkaline, bilirubin, or abnormal pH levels. Another important consideration is the number of litter trays available in your home. Cats are generally territorial animals and prefer having their own space to do their business. The general rule is to have one litter tray per cat, plus an additional one. For example, if you have 2 cats, you should have at least 3 litter trays. Providing multiple trays ensures that waste does not accumulate too quickly in any one box, reducing the frequency with which you need to replace the litter completely. Ultimately, the best indicator of when to change your cat's litter is your cat's behavior. If they are avoiding the litter box, it may be due to odor buildup or an unclean environment. Keeping the litter box fresh and maintaining a consistent cleaning routine will ensure your cat remains comfortable and happy while preventing unwanted accidents around your home.